10 Best Quotes of Film The Red Shoes 1948. The Red Shoes is a 1948 British drama film written, directed, and produced by Michael Powell and Emeric Pressburger. It follows Victoria Page, Moira Shearer, an aspiring ballerina who joins the world-renowned Ballet Lermontov, owned and operated by Boris Lermontov, Anton Walbrook, who tests her dedication to the ballet by making her choose between her career and her romance with composer Julian Craster, Marius Goring. It marked the feature film debut of Shearer, an established ballerina, and also features Robert Helpmann, Leonid Marcin, and Ludmilla Cherina, other renowned dancers from the ballet world. The plot is based on the 1845 eponymous fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen, and features a ballet within it by the same title, also adapted from the Andersen work. Boris Lermontov, you cannot have it both ways. A dancer who relies upon the doubtful comforts of human love can never be a great dancer. Never. Boris Lermontov, don't forget, a great impression of simplicity can only be achieved by great agony of body and spirit. Boris Lermontov, to Julian Craster, it is worth remembering that it is much more disheartening to have to steal than to be stolen from. Boris Lermontov, the music is all that matters. Nothing but the music. Why do you want to dance? Why do you want to live? Well, I don't know exactly why, but I must. Vicky and Boris Lermontov, this exchange captures the raw passion and dedication required for a life in the arts. Don't forget, a great impression of simplicity can only be achieved by great agony of body and spirit. Boris Lermontov, this line emphasizes the demanding nature of achieving artistic perfection. The music is all that matters. Nothing but the music. Boris Lermontov, this quote reflects Lermontov's single-minded focus on dance as a transcendent experience. Vicky? Julian, I love you. But you love that more. Vicky, this heartbreaking line highlights Vicky's struggle between love and artistic ambition. Boris Lermontov, why do you want to dance? Victoria Page, why do you want to live? Boris Lermontov, the dancer who relies upon the doubtful comforts of human love will never be a great dancer. Never. Julian Craster, it's worth remembering that you have to pay for everything in life. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Boris Lermontov, you cannot have it both ways. A dancer who relies upon the doubtful comforts of human love will never be a great dancer. Never. Victoria Page, you cannot alter human nature. Boris Lermontov, there is only one way to avoid mistakes. To do nothing, and that's the biggest mistake of all. Victoria Page, do you believe that it is worth sacrificing everything for the sake of art? Julian Craster, it's not only about dancing. It's about living.